has contained the oil and petrol prices for 2.5 months of the war, and the oil companies have borne all the losses. Since the war is continuing, to save the foreign reserves, he has given a call to not to buy gold unnecessarily for 1 year. Use fertilizers very, very carefully, as well as he has asked about traveling to save the forex. It is but natural as a leader who has got all the moral right, who has contained the crisis this time. In the future safety, he has given a call. This Congress is trying to misinterpret with his governance. His governance is the best governance compared to all previous Congress governments. When Congress government was there, gold was taken to London and kept as a security, and got the placed it and repaid the IMF loan. When Congress government was there, when American Iraq was there, petrol had dried on the third day. Now they are asking about the stocking of the fuel. There is enough fuel stock, but if the war continues, it's a global issue. It is not Indian issue. So just to be, as a precaution, he has given call. Congress is anti-national party. That's why they don't think welfare of the people or the country. But we are concerned about the welfare of the people and the country, and our leader Narendra Modi ji has got that responsibility. And to save the nation, to save the hardship of the people, he has given a call, and people will respond positively.